Hello guys, welcome my channel. I am Network Detective. I work to uncover the 100% real truth hidden across the internet. This is the channel where you get real fact, not hype. So let's start. Today I am going to explain this person 13-second binary strategy. First of all, let's check out his 30-second binary strategy. So go.
Let's prepare the tools for work. I'm setting classic candles and the time frame is 30 seconds. The super trend and the fractal. Let's configure the super trend first. Set the multiplier to 2.5 and save. Let's configure the fractal. Set the period to 3. Go to style, set up to red. And let's set down to green and save. So the indicators are ready to go and first opportunity of the day appears clearly and without unnecessary noise. The expiration time is 1 minute and I'm opening a short trade for $1,800. Now I'll explain in detail how this strategy works and what you should pay attention to. It all starts with a signal from the super trend. When a red arrow appears above the candles, it's a clear indicator that the market is changing direction and forming a downward movement. This signal shows the moment when sellers begin to prevail and the downward momentum gains strength. And the next confirmation comes from the fractal. A red arrow also forms above the candles. This is the second, equally important signal that confirms the start of a downward trend. This coincidence of indicators strengthens the reliability of the analysis and helps to accurately determine the moment when the downward movement becomes dominant. And I made a profit of $1,656.
So now let's see how well it works in reality.